Hello everyone, welcome to Purchase Park Orthodontics educational videos. Today we are talking about orthodontic oral hygiene kit. Let's take a look together what we have in the kit and how we can use some of them. We have a box of dental wax, a box of floss, a 2-minute hourglass, toothbrush with a protective cup, a dental mirror, a travel toothbrush, an interproximal brush, and dental floss straighters. Let's take a look how we can use dental floss straighters, interproximal brush, and dental wax. First is dental floss straighters. Take a piece of dental floss, slide it through the loop of the floss straighters, tie it up well. Then gently guide the pointed end of the traitor under the wire of your brackets or between your teeth and pull the floss through. Once the floss is through, you can floss between your tooth and the gum. When you are done, slide the floss out and move on to the next spot. Next is interproximal brush, known as proxy brush. Take the brush and gently insert it between your brackets and teeth. Move the brush back and forth. Make sure to get all around each bracket and in between teeth. And lastly, dental wax. First, make sure your hands are clean. Then take a small piece of dental wax and roll it into a little ball. Press the ball of wax onto the part of your bracket that's poking you or irritating your mouth. Use your dental mirror to see where it's poking or irritating your mouth. Gently smooth the wax over the brackets so it plays and stays. Each time when you eat, it will go away. That's why you need to replace them. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video that we will talk about how to properly brush our teeth.